Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Afreen. I hope you're doing really well. You're staying indoors and you and your family is safe. So today's video I'm going to be reviewing products from this brand called Amrutam. And apart from that, I'm sure just by looking at the title that I'll be talking about charcoal face mask. Now I am someone who is all about charcoal face masks. Now for my skin type, for my skin, I feel charcoal face mask is just amazing. It works well for me, like it cleanses my skin really well. I have combination skin type, just in case if you're wondering. So yes, and I also like this area of my face is very sensitive, so keeping that in mind, I always try my products. And let me start with Amrutam. So firstly, I was really impressed the way the products they came in. So this is the bag that has that had both of the products. So this is made of jute and this is super cute, like something that I can definitely reuse. So thank you so much. This is really cute and I absolutely adore it. And then there are two products that I received. Let me start with this one. This is their Kuntal Care Hair Spa, 100% Ayurvedic. Now let me tell you, Amrutam believes in Ayurveda. They believe in creating natural and good quality products. So yes, and to be honest, I tried it this morning. Like I applied it only on the ends. You're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to apply it all over your scalp and hair and use it as a spa. But because I wanted to be extra sure that it should suit my hair, so I just wanted to try it. So I tried a little bit on the ends. I kept it on for around 20-25 minutes and then took a shower. And can you see my ends? Like I can feel the softness. It's not dry or frizzy. It has given me a lot of softness and shine. So yes, I can't wait to try it again properly all over my scalp and hair. So this has got Bringraj, Amla, Neel, Brahmi, Mehendi. Yes, this definitely smells like Mehendi. And it has got olive oil, it has got long oil, eucalyptus, and a lot more natural ingredients. So yes, I definitely recommend you all to give this a shot. This is so good. This is definitely one of the best ways to do hair spas at home now that we are into this pandemic. This is really good. I can't wait to try it and then come up with a blog post or something. So yeah. And now next up is something that I'm super duper excited about. This is their charcoal face mask. Now again, I'll quickly read out all the ingredients. This has got aloe vera, charcoal, a lot of Ayurvedic ingredients, orange peel, rose water, kera water, multani mitti, and all of it. Now firstly, you need to shake it really well so that everything mixes well. And then I tried it once last week, loved it, and I'm also going to be applying it now. So yes, this one is really great. Like if you want to try something from Amrutam, you need to give this one a shot. I'm all about charcoal face mask. This really works well. At just one use, I can vouch for it. This is that great. So yes, and yeah, the main ingredients in this is obviously charcoal, coconut, and orange peel is something that really excites me. So guys, that's it. I would definitely recommend you all to try this brand Amrutam and this one product. Like if you want to try something from Amrutam, it has to be this charcoal face mask. Like if you want to try one product, then go for it. Most of the times what happens is that brands say something and then the products does something. So that's not the case with Amrutam. I obviously love the concept. I am in awe with everything about this product, especially. I am yet to try this completely and then come up with a detailed review, but go for it if you want to buy a good charcoal face mask. Also, this 150 grams of jar is priced at rupees 1100, which is, I think, every single penny is worth, because you need a little bit of it. You have to shake it and just need a little bit of it. Right now my face is definitely, like, I haven't applied any foundation and my skin is all irritated and stuff because I was on heavy medication. So yeah, I just have concealer and a little bit of makeup but no foundation. So you can see I have a little bit of acne scars here and there, and this one is definitely gonna be handy because that is what it claims. It will, you know, lighten the scars and overall does amazing thing for your skin. So yes, thank you so much for watching. I hope you find it meaningful and useful. I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hit the like button. Also click on the notification bell so that, you know, every time I upload a video you get notified. Bye.